a radical transition. While the country has traditionally focused on service-based industries, the rising demand for clean energy solutions highlights the need for greater self-reliance and energy independence. It's clear we are steadily transitioning towards greener energy sources. Scheme and tech for renewable energy growth. Energy storage plays a pivotal role in maintaining grid stability. It stores excess renewable energy for use during peak demand. Green bonds and collaborations leading the way for clean energy adoption. Targeted skill development programs and research initiatives are cultivating a competent workforce to sustain the sector's growth. Projects above 25 megawatts being declared renewable, giving boost to hydropower. All stalled hydro projects in Arunachal Pradesh have been allocated to central public sector undertakings, which have provided the state government with financial assistance for equity participation in the JV companies with developers. Localizing coal gasification tech key to reducing capital costs by 35 to 50%. With extensive global experience, including projects in the Middle East, Dastur Energy offers comprehensive solutions for plant design, operational efficiency, and economic feasibility.